Hey, what's Zupo? Oh, from the Western stream. LOL. Now we're doing spicy ramen. With my sister. I don't want to remember. They actually weren't even that bad. Okay, so me and my sister are gonna try to split this one in half because we feel like we're not going to finish. I'm gonna invite my friends. Are you playing SCP Secret Laboratory? Oh, I've never played that.
I'm not gonna put them on the ground.
Maybe I'm here. Down here. Wait, you're gonna invite your friends to this stream? I mean, sure. I already boiled the water, we're just getting everything ready. Okay, sure, invite them, but like, I think by the time they get here, we'll be done making it. Oh gosh. Okay, so it looks like we put this in it. Oh! Oh my god, that was a lot. This is a mess! Hey Madeline, can you... I wish people weren't watching right now, because I'm definitely not making it right.
Wait, what the fuck?
Okay, I don't know which one has more. I think I like evenly split it.
Wait, don't you just pour in the water and then cover it?
Yeah, pour in the water, pour in the water. Actually,
I'm scared, we're so close.
Wait, hold on. Let's do this off stream. Let's do it like over here. Let's do it over here.
I don't know how much to put in.
Just put in enough. Why are we ratchet?
Wait, that's enough.
Are you
Cover
sure?
it.
No, more. A little more.
Okay, now. Oh my god, it smells spicy. Like, I feel like it burned my nose.
Really? Okay. We should have made this first. We fucked up. I don't even know what
Candace, don't like shake that because I feel like it'll go places we don't want. Okay, that's enough, right?
I think so.
Okay.
Wait, now I have...
Just go to the sink.
Okay, I'll be right back.
Who's here? What's up? Who's was up-o?
There's one screen where
Oh. I am her sister.
Wait, why did you do your hair all cute?
It was really pissing me off. It's so greasy.
Wait, but now my hair isn't cute.
Okay, or you can make it all cute.
Okay, what should I do? Maybe I can do like... Wait.